rin ang palayo ng unti-unti si Arellano dun sa zone na yon. Kaya lang nagpasok ng shooters ang Binild na counter yung zone nila. Tingnan natin kung anong adjustments again going to third.
And also, Arellano had no answer for Allen Liwag doon sa ilalim, coach.
Oo, tapos na foul trouble pa si Kapulong. Alam ko meron ng 2 foul to. Pero nandito, ginamit na kagad.
Dun sa first quarter. And here we go sa ating second half. Third quarter ng laban ng Binild Blazers and Arellano Chiefs. Ancheta gives it to Cometa. Ito na naman ang atake ni Liwag. Nagsimula sa taas. Fades, fires, misses.
Kita
And
natin, nilalabas ni Liwag si Kapulong. Feel niya na mas mabilis talaga siya over Kapulong.
feeling ko, coach, para kaya niya rin mag-offensive rebound sakali mo. After that fadeaway, kaya niya pa yun. There's an early foul against Ancheta.
Number 17, Jamel Ancheta. That's his third.
Ancheta, how many points for today? Hanapin natin mamaya. Hindi ko gaano makita, coach.
Malamig pa, wala pa atang na-score si Ancheta. 0 points for today. Pero alam naman natin si Ancheta, ang favorite part niyan, yung crucial, yung pinaka-importante. Ilang games na yung ipinanalo niyan.
Cometa, mag-isa sa gitna, yun lang. As Arellano
good attempt, good look.
gets another board, Timac Ongotan has the leather. Gives it to Kamay. Kapulong will not offer his pick. Now Valencia tries to attack, but Allen Liwag blocks the shot.
Hindi pwede kay Liwag yung ganong dukot shot. Aabutin niya yan.
Cometa hesitates, gives it to the left side. Oli missing.
Another good look for Oli. Last second quarter, nakakonvert siya doon sa 3 points na yon.
Wala pang nakakascore dito sa ating third quarter. Basti Valencia will try to score the first one. Before anything else, eto may report na naman tayo mula kay Christine San Agustin. Christine,
Bahagyang nakahabol man pero hindi pa rin ito convincing kaya't hindi pa dapat makampante, and that is according to Coach Charles Chu during the halftime huddle in the Binild Blazers, because he said that he is yet to see the performance that he is used to seeing in the Binild in the first 2 quarters, and is definitely not it. Dagdag pa ni Coach, the main challenges for them now is lessening their turnovers, taking all the chances that they could get, and to being mindful of their pacing, of their execution, and momentum. Yan muna mula sa panig ng Binild, Nico and Coach Ralph.
on cue, yung turnover report ng Binild nitong si Christine.
Ganda ng anticipation ni Ongotan eh. Nagkaroon ng mismatch na hindi lang napuntahan yung Liwag sa ilalim.
May mapapagalitan, ni-report na eh. As Oli will try once again. That's his second miss from the long range.
That is a good shot. It's an open shot na alam mo namang kaya niyang i-shoot.
As we see this play, Cometa from the corner. That's the first point in this third quarter. And this is the anticipation of Timac Ongotan. Nagpapatunay dun sa report nito si Christine San Agustin.
Tabla pa rin tayo. No? Merong coaches challenge. Tingnan natin kung ano yung
Ang bola mananatili dito sa unsuccessful. Ang challenge doon ng Arellano. As Binild will have the possession. Coach, kanina kausap ko si Coach Chico Manabat. Lagi yun naman talaga ang problema nila. It's about the consistency from the first quarter up until the end. And also yun nga yung sinasabi natin, if magsasabay-sabay yung ganda ng mga laro ng malalaro no.
Nabanggit nga ni Coach Chico, having 10 rookies in their lineup. Isang factor yon bakit talaga nagkakaroon sila ng meltdown in third and fourth quarter.
Lawrence Kapulong, 0 points right now because of foul trouble.
Yeah.
Diba? Cometa will fire from the top.
No
Another
inot,
three.
no inot, no problem, sabi ni Cometa.
That's the fourth 3-pointer of the Blazers. Kapulong finally! Narinig yata ako, coach.
Nagigising na si Kapulong.
Sabi niya, anong hindi pa nakakascore? Oh, eto. Ancheta, hesitates, spins, looper,
Taas
Tima
nung kuha nun,
Omotan.
no?
With a sky-high rebound.
Nice pass.
Vinoya!
Nice pass. After a rebound, pinush niya yung bola. Nice look.
This is the steal once again from Arellano. Another turnover from the Benil Blazers. Capitalizing itong Arellano. Pero,
First half, ang taas ng turnovers kasi ng ng Benil, no? They had 14 turnovers ng first half. Talagang dun pumupunta, dun ang tinetik advantage ng Arellano. Talagang pine-pressure nila, pino-force nila magkamali ang Benil.
and they have guys that can pressure like Tima Ongotan, itong si Abiera is even a two-way guy.
Isang factor din siguro kaya pagdating ng fourth nauubos kasi yung
Napapagod.
level, yes, yung level ng intensity na ibibigay mo playing that kind of defense talaga makaka-apekto sa conditioning mo.
As Vinoya gets another point. Torres gives it to Cometa. Can he make it? No. But the ball will stay with a green shirt. Torres with a looper.
Cool na cool yung tira ni Torres na yun, no? Hindi nagpapanik. That's the fifth deadlock. Oh, only fifth deadlock of the game.
Geronimo gives it to the post. Vinoya against Morales. Vinoya. Nako.
Masikip, masyadong masikip yung spacing nila doon sa execution na yun.
Sagutan ng turnover. Liwag.
That's the way how to execute a fast break.
I thought he will dunk there.
Oo,
for
ang
a second.
taas eh. Kahit layup pero alam mo yung kamay niya nasa ibabaw ng ring.
Now Kapulong against Liwag. The matchup.
Challenge ba ni Kapulong to?
10 seconds. Kapulong pulls up. No good. And Timak Ongotan has that presence of mind to bounce it off Cometa. At timeout muna tayo. Lamang na ang Benil 49-47. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 100.
Ancheta. Let's see if they'll try to establish Liwag. Inon pulls up for three. Allen Liwag. What a pass to Ancheta. And Ancheta is able to score. And gives the lead back to Benilde.
Miscommunication on the San Beda defense. Capitalize na yun.
Ito yung nagagawa ni
As we are back here at the Coliseum, Cutica muna po tayo. Napapangiti na lang si ate. Hindi niya alam, may nakatutok na camera sa kanya. Selfie para laging cutie. Ayun, ganun dapat. Pag tinutukan ng camera, dapat alerto ka.
Project na project.
Yeah, project na project.
Yun.
Eto, dancer na cuties
Cute
pa.
pa.
That's a good combination. And they're celebrating kasi dikit ang laban na ito. Arellano, though down by 2 against Benilde. And you love the challenge by Arellano.
Oh, up to now, nakikita naman natin yung energy ng buong Arellano team. Nandun pa rin.
4 to shoot for Valencia. Fades. Misses. Ang tawag, foul on. Hernal. The ball will go back to the green shirt.
Number 42, Joseph Hernandez.
Sa mga times na ganito, mararamdaman mo tinataas ng Benil Blazers yung level ng defense nila eh. Ngayon, ang Arellano, dapat mas mag-execute sila, maging patient pa sila the way they execute their plays.
Benilde. Ito na naman si Cometa. Gives it to Torres. 7 to shoot for Benilde. Hindi ginamit ang pick ni Allen. Cometa. Binato na lang.
Good defense by the Arellano Chiefs. Let's see kung matitake advantage nila itong transition offense na to.
Geronimo naman ang bola ngayon. Arellano. A chance once again to tie this game or
A switch, there's a switch.
take back the lead. Valencia against Liwag. Ito na naman yung smooth jumper. Same result for Valencia, but Kapulong
Ganda sana nung putback na yon.
hits the front of the iron there.
Di lang na-complete.
Eto, si Valencia, ganito raw dapat ang paglagay.
Oo, nag-relax si Kapulong doon. Ang ganda ng run ni Liwag eh. Talagang yun yung inuutos talaga ng coach. Rim run. Ang ganda rin ng way na nakita nila yon.
15 points for Allen Liwag. Arellano has no answer and they turn the ball over. Counter steal. Ongotang, umangat. Magmimintis. Allen Liwag is there once again to tap the ball to his teammate. Cometa will try. Third try is the charm for Cometa.
Nakikita mo sa mata ni Cometa, parang compose pa rin siya eh.
Kapulong will try to answer. Misses.
Opposite naman na nangyayari sa Arellano. Nakikita mo yung panic mode eh.
Hindi gumana sa labas. Kapulong decides to take it inside.
Malaking bagay itong basket ni Kapulong. Unti-unti na lumalayo itong binild eh.
And this is the 3 from Cometa. That's after third try from long distance, coach.
Pero
And-
parang tatlong 3 points na ata to si Cometa.
At itong si Kapulong sana sasagot. Hindi pumasok. And decides to take it inside. Rewarded.
5 point lead lang to. So, hindi pa time para mag-panic for the Arellano Chiefs.
Mahaba pang oras mo.
Mahaba pa.
Kapulong. Missing. Sorry miss for Lawrence Kapulong. Kahukom back in the game together with Eusebio.
Kung babalik na naman sa zone defense ng Arellano Chiefs.
Justin Sanchez, 7 to shoot. Torres has the ball. Torres over Kapulong. Mintes. Kapulong taps it to Abiera. 2:35 remaining in this third quarter. Geronimo, wala mapuntahan. Nako,
Oh.
masyadong malakas ang pasa. Hindi para kay Kapulong yun. As kahukom. Wow!
Almost.
Allen Liwag almost throwing it down. This is the steal. The feed. But the shot, look at the poster. The possible poster. Timeout muna tayo. Babalik ang NCAA Season 100.
Pakistan Falls attacking to the basket.
Lead is down to 2 for Binild. Torres, Sanko, bumomba sa ilalim. Mintes, Sanchez cleans it up. Meta, nagtamadali. Huktom, nope. Nalunod sa ilalim si Joshua. Harvey doesn't have the numbers. Challenging.
Lamang na lamang pa rin po ang Benilde Blazers as we see this replay once again of that last play. Kahukom feeding Allen Liwag. Look at that stretch by Allen Liwag. Anything but the shot, coach.
Bigat yun, oo. Kung pumasok yun, mukhang yun yung isa sa mga pwede maging dunk of the year.
Highlights of the season.
Yeah.
First round pa lang yan, ha? And we know, kayang gawin yun ni
Oo.
Allen Liwag.
Nabitawan lang eh.
We have 2 shots para rito kay Allen Liwag. It's 15 points for CSB this game. As we see Mitch Gamit, a former CSB volleyball player, nahiya pa ito si Mitch. Liwag sinking the second one.
Pinahina ngayon si Liwag. He deserves that rest. Ganda ng laro ni Liwag. Alam mong hinog na tong batang to.
Arellano will try to get their rhythm back in this third quarter. Kanina sila pupunta. This guy, Kapulong. May kasamang sundot.
Tamang-tama. Wala si Liwag. Ito yung time ngayon para kay Kapulong na i-take advantage ang paint.
And good for Kapulong, ha? Hindi siya nakasungit ng additional foul for this third quarter, I think.
Yeah. At least magiging komportable pa rin siya pagdating ng fourth.
Arellano play. Gives it to Hernal. 10 to shoot. Hernal still has the ball. Stops.
Almost
fakes,
traveled. Buti,
7
hindi
to shoot.
napituan.
Borromeo, 4 to shoot for Arellano. 2 to shoot. Hernal. Can't bail it out.
Yun yung sinasabi mo ngayong foul ni Kapulong. Mukhang
Nabati.
nakuha niya. Oo. Pero nakita naman natin yung discipline ng defense ng Benil Blazers sa last possession na yun. Covered lahat.
Arellano having a hard time to find the right guy to help them na makalapit pa dito sa Blazers.
Yung babalik na naman tayo dun sa challenge again ni Coach Chico sa mga players niya.
Who's gonna be the guy? Yun
Pagdating
lagi.
ng dikdikan, pagdating ng mga closers, sino ba?
Torres. Kick ball.
At yung sinasabi mo, Nico, na hindi pwedeng isang player lang ang magandang nilalaro for today. The next game, iba na naman. Sana at least 5 players na magko-contribute.
14 seconds.
And right now, it's just Timak Ongotan ang may double-digit scoring lang for Arellano with 14 points. As we see Justin Sanchez forcing his way inside.
Humihingi pa ng foul. Actually, may contact pero hindi na natawagan ng referees.
That's his 8th point of the game. Geronimo, now Kapulong still in the game here. Kapulong with a shot.
Ganda.
Big man shot.
Old school.
They need more from him.
Yes. Kuha lang sila ng stop. Punta ulit nila kay Kapulong. Makakakuha pa sila. May bababa nila itong lamang na to.
Under a minute remaining. Benil Blazers will try to get another one.
Traveling. Oh. Very controversial yung call na yan. Same foot. Ang pinagbabawal na technique ng tawag na dyan.
Talaga ba, Coach?
Oh.
As we see that shot from Justin Sanchez. Nilaro rin sa ilalim talaga ito si Justin Sanchez. But he's more of a wing guy.
All around. Kaya ang hirap bantayan ni Justin Sanchez. Bigyan mo siya ng maliit, papostehan ka niya. Bigyan mo na siya ng malaki, i-blow by ka niya.
Under a minute remaining in this third quarter. Kapulong spread out. Sabi niya, decides to take it one more time.
Face up, jumper. Ayaw mo akong lapitan, kukunin ko tong jump shot na to.
That's a Statue of Liberty shot.
Ganda.
Angat na angat eh. Torres still has the ball. Torres takes it to Justin with a spin, with a shot. Mintis lang doon, but Torres cleans up the mess. Wala ron ang tira ng mga taga-Benilde.
Oh no.
That's the top.
Sayang, last shot na dapat yun.
Scramble for loose ball. Benilde has the possession. 8 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Eusebio gives it underneath. 3 seconds remaining. Geronimo will fire. Aabuto! And Geronimo gets
Saktong-sakto.
the buzzer to end the third quarter. But there will be a review. That's a 3.
Way to end the third, no? Ganda.
And look at this. Binato na lang. Nitong si Geronimo. With 0.7 seconds remaining.
Ginamit pa yung board, no? Sinadya niya talaga yung boarding.
Geronimo with that presence of mind. And Arellano only down by 2. 58 to 56. May fourth quarter pa. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 100.